I'm going to show you exactly how to create a simple Polaroid gallery using Canva. This is perfect if you want a clean and aesthetic way to showcase photos for Instagram, mood boards, memories, or content posts, and you can do this even if you're a complete beginner. No design experience needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create and choose any Instagram post canvas. Once your blank canvas is open, the next step is adding your Polaroid frame. On the left-hand panel, click on Elements, then select Frames. This will open all the available frame elements you can use. Scroll down to the Film and Photo section. If you don't see the Polaroid frame right away, click See All and scroll until you find a Polaroid frame that fits your style. Once you find one, click on it and it will instantly appear on your canvas. Resize and position the frame however you like. When you're happy with the size, head over to Uploads on the left-hand panel and upload the photo you want to use. After the photo finishes uploading, click on it or drag it directly onto the Polaroid frame. It will automatically snap into place. To adjust which part of the photo is visible, just double-click on the image and drag it until it looks right. Repeat the same steps if you want to add more Polaroid frames and create a full gallery layout. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a simple Polaroid gallery in Canva, perfect for Instagram posts, photo dumps, digital scrapbooks, or aesthetic layouts. If you want more Canva tips, easy design ideas, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and follow for more simple Canva tricks you can use right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.